In order to turn in your book report, you need to go to the English Bagrut and Book Report Assignment. When you click on the Book Report Assignment, you'll see View Assignment, and you'll also see the Book Report options. You actually want to go to View Assignment because this page will allow you to add or create a document, and that's what you want to do. You can look at the Book Report options. It will show you the options that you have. Then you can go back to the tab that says a book report, and you will choose to add or create. And you'll want to probably create a doc. That's the best thing because it is, after all, a book report. You'll choose the doc. You'll write whatever it is you want to write. And then you see you will turn it in. You will not share. You will turn it in. You have another option, another opportunity to say yes or no to turning it in. You'll turn it in. And that's it. If you think you may have made some mistakes, you can unsubmit it. Yeah, I definitely want to unsubmit it. Okay. You'll go back to the document, do whatever you need to do, and then again turn it in and press turn in. That's it. Okay? Voila. You've done it!